Something like this is very rare and exceptional, less seen but much wanted. If you're seriously into graphic designing or video editing, then this is something that you would love to check out. There are other cheap alternatives in the market that you can buy, but to be honest, this little thing is something that you cannot deny. So what's up guys, it's Zakir here, and today in this video we'll be taking a look at the Intuos Pro Graphics tablet by Wacom. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video and let's see what this device has to offer. Well, starting off with the packaging itself, let me just tell you that it is phenomenal. The packaging is nowhere at the bottom. It is premium looking, and honestly the unboxing experience is just heaven. Opening the cover, you have the main box. It is a plain black box with the branding on the top. Opening the box, you have a black box inside that contains a little bit of information about many different stuff regarding the device itself. The box has a very nice touch all over it, and it surely includes some of the most amazing things inside. The box also includes some of the accessories to control and use the device at its best potential. I'm really surprised with the amount of accessories included in the box itself. Well, enough of buttery stuff now. Getting into the main part, the Intuos Pro by Wacom has a really simple but at the same time elegant design. The device looks phenomenal, and to be honest, I'm really impressed with how well this is built. Speaking about how big this is, you can actually get the Intuos Pro in 3 different sizes, which is small, medium and large. The one we have right now is the small one. Depending on your need and how you want to use the device is what the size is concerned about. So if you're actually wanting to do big huge stuff like huge office work, then I would recommend you to go at least with the medium size one. But for me, and like if you are just normal designers and stuff, then the small size is a really good one. However though, you'll surely notice some difference when it comes to the sizes. Obviously it will be the size itself, and there is something else. The button on the side increase in proportion to the size itself. The small one here has 4 buttons in total and are fully programmable. There is also a touch ring and a button on the top of the touch ring to control it a little bit. This ring here can be used to scroll through your workflow timeline, choose in-depth color from the color chart, and a lot of other good stuff can be done with the help of this simple touch bar here, or touch ring. This ring, for instance, can be used in Photoshop, Premiere Pro for advanced color grading, and also in apps like After Effects. The ring is really helpful for high advanced work. Speaking about the drawing area here, the medium size has a pretty good drawing space, but if you think that you need something a lot bigger for bigger project, then I will leave a link for all the sizes in the description box down below, so make sure to go and check them out. Well, drawing in this from my personal experience was just amazing as hell. I liked and enjoy every bit of this device. The drawing plate is really smooth, and with all the accessories that it includes, it is a really phenomenal experience. So what is this device all about? Well, this device is amazing for anyone who is really into graphic designing or high-end video editing. The design, the performance, the accessories, and everything else about the device is amazing as hell. So that's basically it guys. I hope you have really enjoyed the video. If you did, then smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this one, subscribe to the channel. All my social medias including my website is linked in the description box down below. Once again guys, I would like to thank you all for the support. It has been amazing. You guys are really killing it, so thank you very much for the support that you guys have been giving me. So yeah, do check out my social medias and my website from the link in the description box down below. I'll see you in the next one. This is Zakir here from Zars Tech, and I'll see you. Goodbye. Peace.